Hello everyone, my name is Chargalma Odogirtan. In this reflection, I will talk about my contribution to our strategic marketing group project, the challenges we faced, and I learned from this experience. My role in this project was mainly as a graphic designer and web developer. At the beginning, I thought my role would mostly be creating slides and making the presentation look professional. However, as the project developed, I realized that design is closely connected with our strategy. So I worked with the team to organize information and present our ideas clearly. Since our target audience was a Canadian tourist interested in ecotourism, I selected visuals that reflected nature, wildlife, and adventure. I also become involved in these discussions about the customer preferences and target market. For example, after analyzing our Canadian tourists, we identified couples aged 30 to 50 as our main target segment. This influenced both our strategy and the way I designed the presentation. One of the biggest influence on our project was lecturer feedback. Before the consultation, we focused heavily on the creative ideas such as augmented reality, gamification, and the vertical echo explorer passport. However, our lecturer reminded us that this assessment was about digital marketing strategy, not simply creating new tourism experience. After that, we started asking different questions. There is how will the customers find us? Why would they engage our content? How can digital marketing encourage bookings? This changed the way we approach the project. I think our biggest challenge was balancing creativity with the strategic focus. At one stage, we had too many ideas and the presentation became crowded. While all ideas were interesting, it became difficult to communicate one clear strategy. To solve this, we went back to our customer segmentation and target market analysis. Once we focused again on Canadian couples looking for premium ecotourism experience, our decision became much clearer. We also focused on digital channels that matched our audience, such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. This taught me that the strategy is not about including every good idea. Something the strongest strategy becomes from deciding what to leave out. The biggest lesson I've learned is that design should support strategy, not replace it. Before this project, I saw design and marketing as separate things. Now I understand that they work together. A strong visual can help communicate a strategy, but they cannot replace the think behind it. If I work on the similar project again, I would become involved earlier in the strategy decision discussions so that I could cannot design and marketing objective from the beginning. Overall, this project helped me improve my teamwork, communication, and strategy thinking skill, and gave me a much better understanding of the how marketing strategies developed. Thank you.